Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel YO22 Excel Chapter 10 Prepare Expenses Analysis Part A. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So we move to the main project step is step number 1. So step number 1 is start Excel, open the download file name Excel chapter 10, prepare expenses analysis. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel chapter 10 prepare expenses analysis. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is the red bluff golf lesson to the clients per lesson and the cost of for each golf comparison to the variable cost and determine the minimum number of clients sent up to the golf lesson to offset the cost on the break even analysis worksheets on the break even analysis worksheets in a cell D6 calculate the gross revenue by multiply the total clients by the golf lesson fees in cell D6. So select the cell at D6 and calculate the gross revenue by multiplying the total client by the golf lesson fees. So type is equal to and select the D4 multiply by D5 and press enter. So question number 2 is complete. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is in cell D13 calculate the total fixed cost associated with the providing golf lesson. In cell D13, so select the cell D13 and calculate the total fixed cost associated with the providing golf lesson. So type is equal to and type the sum function D9 to D12. So D9 to D12 and close bracket and press enter. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is in cell D15 calculate the total commission the golf instructor will earn by the multiplying the gross revenue by the instructor commission. So insert the function in cell D50 to calculate the commission and multiply the gross revenue by the instructor commission in cell D15. So select the cell D15 and calculate the total commissions multiply by the gross revenue. So type is equal to and golf instructor in cell D6 multiply by C15 instructor commissions and press enter. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, in cell D16, calculate the total cost of a supplies by multiplying the amount of supply per client by the total clients. In cell D16, calculate the total cost of supply by multiplying the amount of supplies per clients by the total clients. So in cell D16, so select the cell as D16 and calculate the total cost of supply, multiply the amount of supplies per clients. So type is equal to and C16 supplies per client and cost of supply D4 percenters. So question number 5 is complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is, in cell D17, calculate the total cost by adding the total instructor commission and the total cost of supply. In cell D17, calculate the total variable cost by adding the total instructor commission and the total cost of supply. In cell D17, so select the cell is D17 and calculate the total variable cost by adding the total instructor commission and the total cost of supply. So D17 type is equal to is the total variable cost, type is equal to and type the sum function, and D52 D16. So type the D52 D16 close bracket and press enters. So question number 6 is complete. So question number 6 is complete and we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is, in cell D80, calculate the total expenses by adding up the total fixed cost and the total variable cost. In cell D18, so select the cell is D18 is the total expenses and calculate the total expenses by adding up the total fixed cost and the total variable cost. So D18 type is equal to and type the sum function, and next is calculate the total expenses by adding up the total fixed cost and total variable cost. So total fixed cost and total variable cost. In cell total fixed cost and total variable cost. Next is total variable cost and total variable cost D70 D30 and D70 close bracket and press enters. So question number 7 is complete. We move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is, in cell D19, calculate the net income by subtracting the total expenses for the gross revenue. In cell D19, so select the cell is D19 and calculate the net income by subtracting the total expenses from the gross revenue. So type is equal to and net income by the subtracting the total expenses from the gross revenue. In cell D6 is the gross revenue minus the gross revenue and total expenses minus total expenses, and cell D18 and total expenses and gross revenue. So total expenses and gross revenue and total expenses. Press enters. So question number 8 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.